can I get a number that can be multiplied by itself 3 times within this number? Because here we have b power 3. We are going to say now, ask yourself, p power 3 times q is equal to what? 189. Can I get a number, one number, a separate number, which most probably a prime number, and another number which can be multiplied by itself 3 times? Yeah? Whose their product again will give you what? 189. Yeah? This number comes from here. You can still factor out this number. Is this number divisible by 3? Yeah, of course yes. Of course yes. This number comes from here. If you factor it, come to this point. We have 189 divided by 3, it's gonna be 63. Then divided by 3, it is 21. Divided by 3 is what? 7. Then divided by 7 is what? 1. Can you see now? These 3 numbers are helping you. Because the moment you raise them to a power, they will give you what? 3 power 3. So they're going to help you. So what you're going to do is p power 3 times what? Q alone is equal to 3 power 3 multiplied by what? By 7, which is alone here. 7 is alone here. It's going to help you. Eh? So what are we going to do now? What are we going to do? We are going to say, cancel this thing. We are going to say, look at this point here. Look at this point. What you're going to do is p power 3 is equal to what? 3 power 3. Cancel these 2 powers. Then p is equal to what? 3. B is what? It's 3. Q will be what? Then Q. Also, Q is equal to 7. Q is equal to 7. You can prove your answers. Because B is power 3, yeah? 3 power 3 is 27. Multiplied by 7 is 189. Don't forget. These are the questions, strange questions in the national exam recently. This is how you're going to solve it. Think critically, go deeper into the question, and then make sure you finish for your information. And let's go ahead and add one more example. But in the events where you encounter questions from indices, make sure you live with us. Make sure we'll give you the content, or you leave it there in our YouTube channel. Look at this one also. How can you solve this one? We have a question of this kind. Given that you are told, given that 9 power 2y, 9 power 2y times 2 power x is equal to 72. This is also another concept of probabilities. Let me write this one as base 1, base 2. Solution. I have 9 power 2y multiplied with 2 power x is equal to what? 72. Let me write this one. 3 power 2 into original power multiplied by 2 power x is equal to 72. Then I will have 3 power 4x. 3 power 4x. Don't forget this times this is 4. Times what? 2 power x is equal to 72. Then ask yourself, this is already what? A composite number. Okay, can I get a number, 2 numbers, that one of them, my base should be base 3 and the other one base 2 from this one. 72 comes from here. 9 times 8, don't forget. So 9 can give you a base of 3 and 8 can give you a base of what? 2. So what you're going to do is 3 power 4x times 2 power x. Sorry, 3 power, this is y, sorry, I apologize. This is y. Sorry for the inconvenience. This will be 4y. I apologize. So this is 4y. Is equal to 9 times what? 8. 9 times 8. Now, we can say 3 power 4y is equal to what? 9, the first one. Then we'll have 3 power 4y is equal to 3 power 2. Cancel these 2. 4y is equal to what? 2. All of 4, all of 4, cancel. Y is equal to by 2, 1 by 2, 2. A half. Also, come back to this point. 2 power x is equal to 8. So 2 power x will be 2 power 3. Because 8 comes from 2 power 3. Cancel these 2. X is equal to, x is equal to what? 3. And that's the final answer. That's what? That is the final answer. For your information, in the events where you have other questions, you can join us and send us through our phone number, or you can call us, or you can leave with us the comment and the question number with YouTube channel. Otherwise, I wish you the best. That is the little we have for today's program. And in the events where you encounter problems from indices, you can still live with us in our YouTube channel. And don't forget, indices have also other concepts. We may also make for you the package for your information. And in the events where you have problem, don't worry. We will still give you our contacts and our YouTube channel so that you live with us the question number so that we solve for you. And we will see also in this involving simultaneous that can also result graphs. We're going to see that one inshallah in the near future. Otherwise, you're welcome.